TechWrap sent me this heat transfer paper, which I am really excited about. It is inkjet transfer paper. And so I am going to be giving this a try today. I'm going to be using a print and cut feature, and then we will get this project rolling. This is a design that I created that I have on Etsy. I'll have a link below for this. So I am going to get this uploaded into my Cricut design space. So now we are ready to send this to the printer. So I'm going to go to make here. And then on these, we're going to hit continue because it looks like it fits nicely on the map there. But I'm going to hit send it to the printer. And next, and I want to make sure that I have bleed on. And I'm using my regular inkjet printer, which is an Epson EcoTank 2400 inkjet printer. And now I want to put on system dialog. I'm going to hit print here. And I am going to go into my preferences here. And I want to make sure that I have premium presentation paper matte and high quality. And now we are ready. I'm going to go under more options and I'm going to turn high speed off as well and then hit print and we are ready to go. For this heat transfer paper, you want to make sure that you are printing on the white side. The side that you do not want to print on has writing on the back. So here is our design. So we are just going to burnish this on and then we are going to load it for cutting. And it is cutting. We'll be back when it's all cut and then we'll get this weeded. This comes off so easily. I will finish weeding this and then we will apply the transfer mask, which is also included. And here is the mask coming off. It is amazing. This transfers so well. Now from the back, I can see a couple pieces that I missed, so I will get those weeded out as well. I gotta tell you, so far, I am totally impressed with this TechWrap printable vinyl. This has been such an easy process. Now let's see how it presses. I'm using the htvront Auto Heat Press 2 for this. The suggested time and temperature is 310 to 330 degrees Fahrenheit. So I am going with 320 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's heating up. And it suggests 15 to 20 seconds of press time. So I have got it set for 20 seconds. And I'm using a good firm pressure, 170 pounds. I am using a 100% cotton t-shirt for this. So I have it folded in half here. I want to do a pre-press to get a good line on there so that we can see when we are putting our design on. I'm putting the center line in. I'm just going to press this for about 10-15 seconds here and then we'll get started. All right, now you can see that center line. I need that center line. I am the worst for centering on a shirt. All right, I've got it centered here and I've got my Teflon sheet. So let's get this pressed. Again, we're going to go for 20 seconds here. All right, let's see how this did. Oh, wow. That is absolutely perfect and very easy. I have used printable heat transfer paper before, but I have never had results like this. This is so amazing. This TechWrap heat transfer printable paper worked so well, so easy to weed. It was so fast. I highly recommend this TechWrap heat transfer paper, and I will have a discount code below. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, see links below, and leave me a comment.